would I rank LeBron over Kobe in terms of best of all time? No. It's something about 5 that beats 3.
So as you guys could hear in that clip, Michael Jordan said he would not rank LeBron James over Kobe Bryant. He said he would pick Kobe over LeBron because there's something about 5 that beats 3. Tell me in the comment section, who do you think is better, Kobe or LeBron? Because Michael Jordan says he would take Kobe over LeBron because there's something about having 5 rings that beats having 3. Now my question to Michael Jordan is, so what happens if LeBron James somehow gets 6 rings or even 7 rings by the time he retires? Granted, of course, the Warriors would have to be injured, or Stephen Curry just cannot play, or Kevin Durant is just trash, and I don't think that's happening anytime soon. Because of the Warriors, they got Stephen Curry, Kevin Durant, Klay Thompson, Draymond Green. LeBron James can't beat that team, and Kyrie Irving requested a trade, so of course LeBron James is by himself when he goes up against the Warriors. But that begs the question, if Michael Jordan, the greatest of all time, ranks Kobe over LeBron James, if Michael Jordan can pick Kobe over LeBron James simply because of rings, what does that say about how we view the NBA? Because using Michael Jordan's logic, if LeBron James gets more rings than Kobe, does that make him better than Kobe? To me, that's not how I see it. To me, I see it as who had the most impact. To me, ultimately, Michael Jordan will always be better than Kobe and LeBron James, because not even because of rings, not even because of finals record, but simply because Michael Jordan set the bar so high. Michael Jordan is better than Kobe and LeBron James simply because LeBron James and Kobe emulate their game after Michael Jordan. To me, I feel like LeBron James is in his own category because in the NBA, we've never seen a player who can play from point guard to center. LeBron can play almost every position better than the guys who play those positions. Kobe and Jordan, they were shooting guards. LeBron is a small forward. I feel like in the Jordan era, it should be Jordan or Kobe, and in today's era, it should be LeBron or Durant. Jordan and Kobe were shooting guards, but in today's era, LeBron and Durant, they're small forwards. But tell me in the comment section, who would you take, Kobe or LeBron, or even who would you take between Michael Jordan, Kobe, and LeBron? But if we're talking rings, then it's MJ, Kobe, LeBron. Tell me what you think in the comment section, and I'm out.